Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Everyone, hope all of you are fine. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and be a part of beautiful and great journey of learning. Today we will discuss questions about spreadsheet. In video part 5, you can check the video part 1, part 2 and part 3 and part 4 containing other questions regarding spreadsheet. Today we will start from related to a chapter spreadsheet question number 1. Related to a chapter question number 1 is what is a spreadsheet? The answer is a spreadsheet is a rectangular grid of cells that is used to organize, analyze and manipulate data. Question number 2 is what is an active cell? The answer is an active cell is the cell that has been selected. Related to chapter. Question number 3 is what is a sheet tab? The answer is a sheet tab is a tab that allows us to move from one worksheet to another by clicking on it. Question number 4 is what is a range? The answer is a range is a block of cells that lie adjacent to each other. Related to chapter, question number 5 is what is a frame? The answer is a frame consists of a horizontal bar and vertical bar that contain columns and row references. That's all for today. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and never miss any update about our new learning video. Some other questions regarding spreadsheet will be discussed in the next video. Until then, take care, enjoy learning, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz.